Python, am I missing something? I'm in the process of learning Python while implementing build scripts and such. And for the moment everything is working fine and that the scripts do what they need to do. But I keep having the feeling I'm missing something, such as the Python way. I know build scripts and glue scripts are not really the most exciting development work and may hardly be a candidate for revealing the true power of Python, but I'd still like the opportunity to have my mind blown. I develop mostly in C# and I find that my Python code looks awfully similar in structure and style to a lot of my C# code. In other words, I feel like I'm thinking in C# but writing in Python. Am I really missing something? Note: I realize this isn't so much a programming question and it's quite broad and there may not be a definitive answer, so mod me down into oblivion if you have too.
I would recommend that you read up on generators, iterators, itertools and above all list comprehensions. These are the pillars of anything Pythonic. And for everything else, there is PEP8. Read up on these concepts and try using them wherever appropriate. All the best. PS, don't forget to import this, smile. Addendum, I would also aggregate some excellent suggestions given by others in this thread here. Read code like a Pythonista, Idiomatic Python, from David Grant. Solving problems from Project Euler is a great idea, from Nick Fortescue. This excellent presentation on generators and iterators by David Beasley, from Andre. Learn about scones, from the Venerable Eslot.
No, this is common for folks who move to Python from other C-like languages. I believe what you are looking for is ways to make your code more Pythonic. The good news is the more Python you write, the more Pythonic your code will become. It is a natural overflow of the "how can I do this more simply" attitude. Another good place to look at is the Zen of Python. These attitudes towards Python development will also help you in the same regard.
You've gotten good suggestions so far. I'd only add dive into Python. Edit: as of October 4, 2011, this work can be found here. Dive into Python 3, here. Why this is, see here, here and here.
You should definitely take a look at this talk when you start doing systems programming with Python. This URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.